Here we are at Lucas Hill, Goshen Wildlife Management Area, Goshen, Connecticut. Had a pretty good storm last night. Full some rain. Temperatures are dropping. I'm using the GoPro, the medium mod, without the wind protectors on it. Here in my pack somewhere, as I don't feel like taking them out. It's pretty windy up here though. Looks like we may get some snow showers. We're about 1,400 feet. Using the GoPro 11. Nice little camera. I got the GoPro 12 down the trail a little bit. That's taking a time lapse. Walk up here a little bit. This is really the top of the hill here. Not the exact altitude, but it's a little over 1,400 feet. It's a nice area though. They actually state they grow corn up here. And you're allowed to hunt up here. Actually hunt deer, pheasant. They stock it with pheasant. Small game. Lots of prints. Lots of predators. Bobcat prints. Coyote prints. Fisher prints. It's nice.